this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, today's video is a life vlog video, and it's really just showing a video of me at my local community center, hanging out with the ladies, exercising, and, you know, just trying to stay healthy. And so I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know, or to help encourage you guys, that especially us crocheters, that it's so easy to just stay mobile and crochet. I'm 60 years old, and this is me at the gym. And then at the very end, I think I have two clips of my husband. He is 60 as well. We're 6 weeks apart. And so there's some of him at the, I think it's 10 Fitness. And then mine are at the community center. Well, one of me is at the 10 Fitness. The rest are at the community center. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here and encourage you ladies to, you know, if you can't get up and go to your local gym and things like that, just do some chair exercises, you know, while you're crocheting. Just take a little break and, you know, kind of work your arms, maybe do your legs out a little bit and stuff like that. Just keep your blood pumping. And that's really all I'm just trying to do, is just encourage you. I know that there's a lot of you that, you know, have certain illnesses and things like that, that you can't do stuff, and you're under a strict doctor's orders, you know, this and that. But I would like to encourage you to at least move. Move something, you know, while you're crocheting, your arm is constantly moving. That's a good thing. But, you know, try to do something with your legs, like stretch them out and lift them, whatever, just a little bit here and there. Just keep your blood pumping. That's all I want to encourage you guys with, is just to stay healthy. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see what my life is like when just one of my regular classes at my local community center. Oh, and I forgot, I wanted to mention that a lot of times at your local community center, if you are over the age of 55, I believe, you get a tremendous discount. So like I pay $24 a month at my local gym, my local community center rather. And so not only do I get, you know, the classes and stuff that they offer, but I also have access to the walking track, the all the equipment, swimming and things like that too. So if you're able, and you know, you haven't really thought about going to your local community center, go check it out, especially if you're over the age of 55. They have senior classes and all kinds of different type of events and things going on, that really low price that they offer seniors is well worth it. All right, guys, I'm just going to let this roll and show you a little bit about how my workout is. for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.